Welcome to day 20 of our 30 Days to the Roots of Yoga. Today's class is going to be a gentle yoga nidra practice for beginners, and you can practice this just before bed, falling asleep straight after we finish. Or you can lay down on your mat or a comfortable surface and taking anything that supports you, whether that be any props, blankets, cushions, bolsters or pillows, and making yourself nice and comfortable before we come into stillness, adjusting your body in any way that feels good for you, and settling down into your space before becoming as still as you can. Allow the feet to fall open and take the arms slightly away from the body with the palms facing up or resting naturally, allowing the fingers to curl in towards the palms of the hands. Make yourself comfortable, and once you're settled, there's no need to move. Yoga Nidra is a practice of awareness and not effort. So there's nothing that you need to do, nothing you need to change, and nothing that you need to achieve. And to begin with, we'll state a sankalpa or an intention for our practice. So allow it to be short and natural, like I am ready to relax. Repeat it 3 times in your head. And now we'll begin by bringing awareness to the right side of the body, the right side of your chest, shoulder, elbow, right arm, wrist, palm of the hand, back of the hand, thumb, fingers, first, second, third, fourth. Awareness moving to the left side of the body, left side of the chest, shoulder, elbow, left arm, wrist, palm, back of the hand, thumb, fingers, first, second, third, fourth. Awareness to the back of the body, your upper back, lower back, hips, glutes. Awareness to the front of the body, chest, abdomen, pelvis, and noticing the sensations without trying to change them. The awareness moves as the body rests. Bring awareness to the breath, awareness to the natural breath, and feel the breath moving in the body. Notice the gentle rise and fall, and say to yourself, I am not breathing, but breathing is happening. If the mind wanders, allow it to return to sensations. Now bringing an awareness to your thoughts and feelings. Notice the thoughts as they come up, not allowing yourself to follow them. Also, no need to stop them. And saying to yourself, thoughts come and they go. Feelings come and go. And just remain aware. Notice the space around your thoughts. And now notice the quiet underneath your thoughts. Allow awareness to rest. So you may feel as though you're floating. The body might feel distant but present. And you're somewhere between waking and sleeping. Staying gently aware, let the body rest completely. Remaining in this state of awareness, rest in this in-between state where the body sleeps and the mind remains receptive. And then taking a pause here and allowing silence to do the work. The body is at complete rest, and you don't need to check it, you don't need to adjust it. Just allow the sense of the body to soften and blur, as if the outline of the body is slowly fading. The breath continues to flow in and out of the body on its own, and you're not following the breath now. You just know that breathing is happening. Thoughts may appear. You don't need to understand them. Just allow them to rise and fade away like distant sounds. This is where awareness becomes quieter, more spacious, and less focused on any one thing. You're not asleep, but you're not awake in the usual way. You're resting in the space between. If awareness drifts, allow it. And if it sharpens, allow that as well. And just know that there's nothing to do and nothing to hold on to. Remain here, resting in awareness itself. And then start to bring really gentle awareness back to the body and the breath. Maybe placing the hands on the belly, starting to tap back into connection with the body. Taking a deep breath in and out. Moving the hands and feet and taking a stretch with the arms up above the head. Maybe bringing the soles of the feet together and then removing any props that you might have had. Gently roll over onto your right side and curl up into a fetal position. Allow yourself to feel supported, safe, and rested. A moment of gratitude for showing up for yourself today. And you can either stay asleep here or really gently bring yourself back up to a comfortable seat. Taking a breath, bringing the palms of the hands together. Thank you for joining me for class today, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 21.